Hello everyone, welcome back on my channel Lesson Plan Corner. In this video we are going to see lesson plan on the topic part of plant, and this is for class 4th. Okay, and if you need the PDF of this lesson plan, then please do not forget to check the description box, or else you can comment me in the comment section below. I will provide you the PDF of this lesson plan. Okay, now let's see how to make lesson plan on this particular topic is parts of plant. Okay, so previous knowledge. So for this we have to write student is aware of various parts of plant. Okay, so general aim to let them know various body parts of plants and its function. So we basically are going to tell them about various parts of plants and function of that particular body parts of plant. Okay, after that, specific objectives. So for specific objectives we have to write to enable the students to understand different parts of plants and to let them know how does all these parts help plants to grow. So we basically are going to tell them about the parts of plants, and we are going to tell the function of each of the parts. Okay, after that, teaching aids. So for teaching aids we have to write flex chart, duster, chalk, model, duster, whatever teaching aids we are going to take with us. Now after that, for introduction part we are going to ask them question, like we can ask 4 to 5 question. Here you can see the list of the question that we are going to ask to students. Tell the names of our parts of body. Then student will answer. What is the use of our hands and legs? Then student will answer that. Do you think plants also have various parts? Then they will answer yes. We have to ask, can you name them? Then they will answer flower, fruit, stems. Then last question we are going to ask would be, do you know what is the function of them? Then it would be problematic. Student cannot answer all this question. Then we have to give the statement of our aim. Students, I'm going to teach you topic part of plant, and at the same time we have to write the topic in the blackboard also. Here you can see presentation 1. So for presentation 1 we have to explain them about root. This part of the plant remain below the ground. Function of root also we have to explain to students. Here you can see this. So we have to explain them properly for like 5 to 6 minutes. And here you can see again, this is all the parts that we have to explain to students. Types of roots also we are going to teach to students and explain to students. At the same time we can also show them chart of types of root. Here you can see root is of 2 types. Okay, we can draw also, but we can show them with chart also. That would be our teaching aid. Here you can see. So you can show this chart to students so that students can understand everything properly with the help of that chart. Here you can see 2 types of chart, fibrous root and taproot. And after that, explaining them properly, we have to ask question also. Here you can see list of 4 questions that we will ask to students. What is the function of root? How many types of root are there? What is fibrous root? Give some example of taproot. Okay, again we have to present our topic, present our content to students.